Hey, yo. Hey, today's episode is going to be a goodie. If you saw Solana's ripping up to the upside. Of course, we're not in it because we scaled out of it, of course. But we got a lot of things we're going to discuss today. It's been a while since I talked to you guys, so let's get right into it. I am your host Ken from the CEO of this decentralized YouTube channel, AO Finance. So let's get into it today. Share my screen here. All right. CoinGecko. First of all, let's talk about these gas fees. I am trying to move my stuff off of Coinbase currently to my cold storage, and these gas fees are way too high right now. So, I mean, it doesn't matter what time of the day. I was up at 5 a.m. today, and the gas fees were still in the hundreds. Like I've seen them extremely high. This is probably low on the low end. The other day actually was 64 Gwei, and I should have moved everything. I was doing a little test. It was around $6 to move it. I should have moved it all, but I didn't. So we're waiting for at least 64 before I move this stuff over. So hopefully those gas fees can get down. Um, did you guys go shopping on that flash crash? I went a little bit of shopping. I actually scaled out of Solana right before the drop. So I scaled out of Solana around 186 before the drop. I was able to capture about a 47% profit. My profit target was 40%, but I was able to profit 40. 20%, and my profit target, well, the actual was 47%. So I'm happy with it. Right now, Solana's at 210. It just blasted through 200 last night. Just continuing to just go wild. My price analyst, if it gets down, if there any kind of sell-off, I will be buying some again. Look at Uniswap dropping all the way down to number 14 as far as market cap. Like I said, guys, the writing is on the wall. SEC, I'm trying to get out. This is why I got out of Uniswap. This is why I'm trying to get out of Coinbase. If SEC is involved, I am trying to get out. I like Terra. Terra's above 30. I really like Terra. I like Litecoin to move. Algo at 203 is still running a little bit. It's kind of retracing some. I remember this stock was like in the 70 cents range because Coinbase was given 6% interest just to have this on Coinbase. 6%. That's crazy. Now it's already up well over. I mean, you've made over 100% on this coin. Currently still in Matic. Matic still has not popped yet. It's one of the last ones. Low gas fees. Side chains. It's a side chain. So I'm hoping it gets another pop. It popped one time when Mark Cuban was gassing it. So we took out a position in Stellar, looking for this price. It's actually doing pretty good right now. We're looking for our 20% gain. Then we're going to be scaling out is around the 40 cent range, I want to say, which is right below its where it was before it broke out. So all right. Is Oxy on here? I don't even think they yeah, Oxy Infinity. Oxy got down to around the 60s, the high 60s, 67, 66. It's above 71 right now. Um, I'm toying with the idea of getting into Oxy, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right. And as you can see here, BTC is 39% dominance, just losing its dominance to altcoins, and ETH is still 18%. And a lot of that is Solana coming up number 6, just passing XRP. And it's going to be a matter of time before it passes Binance and Tether. I mean, we're talking 8 billion. So it's going to be passing these pretty soon. This is why, if any kind of pullback, I'm going to be jumping back into Solana. All right. FinViz. Let's see what the market did. The market was down a little bit. It was down a lot during the day, and then there was a strong push towards the close. As you can see here, you can see these are pretty much flat numbers to me. There's not really that big of a deal. BBIG was up 5%. Um, that's the one we want to currently look at. Look at our heat map here real quick. And as you can see, we see Apple was down 1%. They're unveiling their new iPhone. So this is why this stock is started running, but it seems to be losing gas. And usually with Apple, because I am in Apple, usually after earnings, there is a sell off. It gasses it up to earnings, and after earnings, there is a sell off. I'll be anxious to see the open interest as far as before the reveal and after reveal. See what it does. Visa's up, was up. Mastercard, PayPal took a 2% haircut. What else? What else? What else? Everyone, it was just a mixed bag today. You know, you have a lot of sectors were green, consumer defensive. These big caps were up a little bit. Utility energies were up. Materials were down again, which is good to see. Banks are down. Facebook 1.21%. All right, and over here in the automotive manufacturing, they were pretty much flat. Home Depot was up, but Lowe's was down. So the sector was mixed bag. Nike continues to go down. Chipotle doing Chipotle things. Now, as you can see in the futures market so far, we are down again for the day, which, like I said, this is the fourth day. Stocks will be looking to be further down. So I'll be anxious to see where we're at on the RSI as far as the QQQ, the VOO, and the VTI when we get to the charts. Quickly going to DraftKings. Let's see what. Oh, the other day, not day before yesterday, so Tuesday, I was able to get a Derek Jeter card. Let's see how much they are going for. They are going for 160 right now. So pretty much stagnated. Let me see how many are up for sale. It has been fluctuating between this is actually the low price. 644 for sale. So it's been fluctuating from 160 to 170, so not much. Day one of the release, it was around 170. I tried to get my hands on this one, this Emerald Premier, and I tried to get my hands on this Platinum. No success. But this one really's got a really good return on value. It was $50 going for 275. This one as well, 25 going for 199, but the $12 going for 160 it's great value. The highest card right now is the Tom Brady. It is going for the $12 one is going for $620. That is massive. Then you got your $50 one going for $898. So there we go. Hopefully, I think Gronkowski might be next after. I wonder if they show this, who the next one is. Nope. I think after this, Gronk is next. So we're going to be trying to get Gronk. Let's get to the charts here. Let's go right to QQQ. QQQ and VOO, they're both pretty much the same thing. The volume here is a bunch of selling volume here. It's kind of, oh, you got this hammer. This is actually a bullish candle depending upon the day. It looks like kind of wick down. I'd be anxious to see what QQQ does today, if this is going to be a breakdown or not. Because what we could be seeing something like this, or around the 372, which would be around, let's see what price range is that. That is around another 2% drop. So it's not within the range of dropping back down, at least 2%. It could, but that'll be massive if it gets down below there. So 372, around the 372 mark is where I'm looking for. Let's quickly look at VOO. Same thing here. Um, quickly go through my VOO. So I'm looking for a around the 408.30, around the 408 mark coming down. That would be let's take the top of the wick. 1.7% to the downside before we take that. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes today. Um, VTI is probably still the same, so we don't need to look at that. Let's look at X. Let's look at precious metals because this is something that is ideal to me. And as you can see, look at this big long wick continuing to sell off, which is a good thing. It's usually what you see with commodities. They spike up and then they come falling down because production starts to outrun demand. And that's with any commodities. It's one of the easier things to overproduce on to get the demand down. Unlike chips, microchips that goes into cars actually. All right, so let's look at gas. Exxon continued to go down. Having it's kind of sideways right now. Be anxious to see what it does here if it breaks down or moves up. But right now it's sideways. So let's put it on all here. We saw Home Depot was pretty good. Apple, big sell off, a bearish engulfing candle here. So I'm looking for it to possibly come down a little bit. 154 in the pre-market, as you see here, is just coming down. What else we got? BBIG. Look at these wicks here. Goes up 1009. So if this thing's breakdowns around the 675, you possibly get back in, but this thing could possibly break on down. So be careful, guys, playing with that. GME is coming down a little bit, down to 185. If it gets down to these 144 levels, the only way I would touch GameStop, it will have to possibly get down to this 146 level. But for right now, you got this bullish engulfing candle right here. That, I mean, it's got a lot to chew on. So you got a lot of ways down to at least the 170s before we see any kind of price discovery here. AMCE. What is AMCE? AMC. AMC got another bullish candle here. It continued to go up. So we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Let's go to crypto now. Looking at Matic. Nothing to see here. Now I want to show you guys something. As you can see here, Matic, ETH. Can't believe I'm not logged in. I keep saying that I need to log in, but we're gonna look at what just happened. Come on. All these share the same. Like if I look at ETH, if I look at Aave, look at this. They all share that big red candle, and then trying to come up. So all of these are good plays if you're looking to scale up higher. This is why I got into XLM, because the upside is more upside compared to ETH for the upside. What else? What else we're looking at? BTC. Same thing here. So all these things are tethered together because of the liquidity pairs. If one goes down, the other one goes down. Derivatives tied into that as well. So we got a lot of stuff that's going on that's manipulating the market for all the coins to react accordingly. So that is the video today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I will be showing some DraftKings lineups because we have football today. So let me know down in the comments who you think is going to win today. We got a little bit money on some of these lineups going in. So be looking to flip some money here and there. So thank you guys.